Hello, welcome to Forbes apartment. Let's have a look. On entry, one faces the bathroom. Let's go to the bedroom. And it has a good size bed. Now, let's check the kitchen and living room. It's a fully fitted kitchen with dishwasher, fridge freezer, microwave, grill, kettle, hob, and other kitchen utensils. And now, we're going to the best part of the apartment, which is the balcony. Wow, the panoramic views are amazing. And that is the part of the Rock of Gibraltar. We can see the airport's runway and the eastern beach. I'm waiting for the sunset and watching planes to take off. Let's enjoy the sunset takeoff. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.